Boyd stuck this slide in to remind us to talk about, we have a reviews page on cco.us, and these are some of the more recent ones. So one from Lisa, she said, I think I just recognized her name from the recent graduates. Just got my results and I passed my CRC exam on the first try. I am now Lisa, CPC, CRC. I purchased the CRC course from CCO and reviewed the CRC Blitz videos twice and made notes, took my practice exam several times, and I passed. I'd taken another CRC course from another entity shortly after becoming newly certified and could not get the grasp of the concept for some reason. I knew I had to tackle this beast and conquer it, and now I can say I have. All thanks to CCO and their courses and review Blitz videos. Well, very nice. Thank you for that review. So at any rate, if you, for our newbies, the 35% of you that are on that, this is your first time, if you go to cco.us and you check out our testimonials page, you can see we get new ones put on every week, and you can get a really good feel for people's satisfaction level.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.